That's right, I have fooled you once again! We've made it to 40,000 subscribers. I got every single one of you to hit that red button somehow. I don't know how I did it. Actually, I know how I did it. It was well planned. So joke's on you! You've been fooled. But I just wanted to say at the beginning of this video, thank you guys for all the insane support you've shown to my channel, either at the very beginning, almost 3 years ago, or now at 40,000 subscribers. It's insane to see what we kind of cultivated together with this community at this point, and I'm excited for everything to come and the good that we can do within the space of YouTube together. So cheers to 40,000 subscribers. Hopefully you guys are doing okay in this time. I'm currently on a vacation right now, just trying to clear my mind, spend some time with my girlfriend. So I wanted to say at the beginning of this video, thank you, of course, for 40,000 subscribers. But not only have we hit 40,000 subscribers, you all have actually just unlocked the first achievement in subscriber rewards. Every so often, we will have a new end goal with our subscriber count. Once we hit 40,000 subscribers, I told you guys I'd be taking a bath in every single flavor of GFUEL. That's exactly what we're gonna do here today. But now we gotta talk about 50,000 subscribers. Once we get to 50K, I actually haven't thought this far ahead. Left foot reveal at 50,000 subscribers. You don't get the right one until 60K. Seriously, again, thank you guys for all the insane love. I just want to take a quick moment and say how much I appreciate you at the beginning of this video. You're gonna see the GFUEL bath right after that. I'm doing a quick compilation of all the embarrassing outtake moments I have when filming these videos for you guys. So sit back, relax, enjoy my freezing cold pain and my inability to say a sentence for 15 seconds. Okay. Ready to take off. Wait, I'm gonna get into some more appropriate clothing in about 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think this is more appropriate to wear for our GFUEL bath. As you can see at my feet here, there's a lot of just powder residue everywhere. Gotta mix it around a little bit. It's really cold. This is like ice cold. Okay. Doesn't taste that bad actually. All right, here we go. Check our GFUEL bath. Woo, it's cold. It's like an ice bath. This is great. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. It's really cold. Oh. There's a lot of places on the internet where you learn how to make GFUEL, but really, this is the best way to consume your GFUEL. Marinating your by marinating in it, you get more flavor by sitting in it and letting the water marinate in you. Got a soapy taste for some reason. Alright guys, well I'm gonna finish my bath, so use code DUCK for 10% off. Please subscribe. Oh, this is really cold. Okay. Recording 1 start. Test 1 2 3 test 1 2 3 test. Recording 2 start. Audio testing recording. Recording number 2 start. Okay. All right. Woo! Recording 1 start. Recording 2 start. Ow. I thought for the longest time that making a career out of social media. I can't talk already, dude. So listen! Reddit is a place of much mystery, Reddit is a place of much mystery, tons of humor. Why? Why is my phone alarm? So I won't lie. Oh my god. That lamp is, it just occurred to me that my lamp is crooked. How about I fix it like this? How about let me just fix that real quick. I'll smack it back into place. Here we go. Boom. I wanted to see how long I could sit here in silence without it being weird. Yes, of course, a lot of people. Let's go ahead and give this a go. I started teaching myself how to play different musical instruments. I am of the mentality that you question. So here's a really big question that I have for you guys. Reddit Reddit is a place. Introduce yourself to everybody.
I'm Rachel. I am dating a boy named Kevin Salad.
Oh. Or if you make it to a certain level of, or if, and I'm not even saying every comment has, dude, I could do this, I could do it, I cannot tell you. Oh, test. And in 1 week, I'm going to know how to play the violin.